Hey everybody, Tom Barnes stories from the 78 and the 78 being Rosemont, and it's a big anniversary. The Fashion Outlets of Chicago celebrating 10 years of bringing amazing discounts, deals, and great experience to the area. I have my friend Katie here to tell me all about it. How are you, Katie?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. It's been a hot minute since we last spoke. We used to do stuff back in the day with the my old employer over at
Yes,
the old number nine, doing around towns. We did a lot of fun stuff at the fashion outlets, and you guys are still going strong. Obviously, 10 years. That's amazing.
we are. We're excited to celebrate a decade of success. We've had an amazing 10 years, and we really want to thank our shoppers for their support and continuing to come back. So we're going to celebrate with a party.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
mean, why not, right? Party celebrating 10 years. And I feel like celebrating 10 years of any brick and mortar location is a feat in itself these days, especially with retail. I mean, you saw what happened during the pandemic and all the stores closing and whatnot, and you guys have stayed strong and you're opening more stores within the space. How does that work for you guys? Because you hear about all these other malls that aren't doing so well and you guys are. What's the difference?
So outlets is definitely a unique destination, really an experience. So we definitely have amazing outlet retailers, but a lot of what we have is unique to the Midwest. We're the only place that you can find a Gucci outlet, Prada, Montclair, Saint Laurent, Versace, really the list goes on and on. So if you're looking for those brands, an outlet version in the Midwest, you really have to come to Fashion Outlets of Chicago, and you can't find that product online. And being an indoor outlet shopping center is definitely unique, especially here in the Midwest. We can
Yeah.
accommodate you 365 days of the year, keep you dry and warm. And also, we have an amazing art collection, the collection where art meets fashion. So, right behind me, we have an amazing piece on the exterior of the building by Derek Adams. And there's a whole collection all throughout the shopping center of nationally and internationally known artists that customers can enjoy for free. So it's just extremely unique.
Yeah, and you were talking earlier, people come for the deal, right? They're searching through the bins or the racks or what have you, looking for the deal. And that's just something you can and can't do online. It's certainly not like that. It's not like finding the deal. Like I remember my Aunt Teresa. She was the bargain shopper to the max. She would go back to the day to Marshall Fields and scour the clearance
Yeah.
racks, and then she'd buy like $150 pair of jeans for $10, but that was her. You can't do that online. So that's another draw for people who want to come and get that deal, right?
Yes, yes. Well, I appreciate your aunt and her loyalty. um, but yes, that's the hope. The customers want to come here to find a savings. We offer up to 75% off every day. Stores have different promotions going on a regular basis. At a lot of guests, they're on our website, fashionoutletsofchicago.com, so you can take a look ahead of time. But the stores are always changing up their offers, changing up the product that they have in the store. So you do have to continuously kind of come back to find those kind of magical, great deals, that kind of prize possession at that great savings.
Absolutely. And I think the other big thing is you get to try on the stuff, right? You get to
Yes,
try it on, make sure it fits. You don't have to send it back and then wait. You want to go get something for the cocktail party that night. You
yes.
get it, you walk out, you're ready to go, it fits, right? And that's like the biggest difference I can think of outside of any other experience from online versus in person.
Oh, absolutely. Of course, right. There's something to know that you tried on those jeans and they fit great. Even for gift giving, we call it gift assurance. You're leaving with that gift in your hand. You know you have it. You're going to be able to get it to somebody on time. You don't have to worry if it's delayed in the mail. So there's definitely that instant gratification. And it's fun, right? It's fun to look around the mall and actually be able to visually see what the stores are offering and their beautiful storefront displays that they put together, and actually have a conversation with the person that you're with about what you're looking at and why you like it. So there's a whole engagement component to it as well, right? That you don't get when you're at a computer.
Yeah, I mean, I think we're from a certain generation where you grew up going to the
Yeah,
mall. You would spend your better part of a Friday or even Saturday going to going to the movies and going to arcade,
yeah,
all these things. You get that, you get that mall vibe of what, a certain generation craves because you miss
yeah,
it, like you've probably been to places where you're
yeah,
like, well, this isn't the same. But you walk through the fashion outlets and you have that you know experience, if you will, where you see all the stores
yeah.
lit up and the neon, the whole thing. It's such a fun thing, and it's in a great spot, where you have a ton of other things going on in the
Hmm.
Rosemont area as well, with everything going on, where the movie theater is and concerts. I mean, everything
Yes.
all right there. You can just park and you'll be good for the day.
Yeah, you can. Rosemont's great. There's over 40 restaurants in Rosemont. We have a food court, but if you're looking for a sit down dining experience, obviously a bunch of hotels, you can make a staycation of it. Parkway Bank Park has entertainment venues and the concerts that you mentioned. The Chicago Dogs are still playing. There's so much to do. In this winter, there's going to be a ton of holiday activities and festivities as well. So there's always something to do in Rosemont.
But the big thing for this weekend is the 26th. That's the big celebration. You guys have a ton of stuff specifically going. What should people look out for that specific day?
Yes. So, yes, this Saturday, August 26th from 1 to 4 o'clock, all throughout the shopping center, we're going to have special deals taking place so that customers can get some additional savings. Some of our stores are doing refreshments. Our Polo Ralph Lauren store is actually going to bring in their Polo Bear, and you can take pictures with them. They have a special calligrapher in there, and they're giving away gourmet popcorn. So that's just kind of one of the many type of activities we'll have taking place. We have artists coming in, setting up different activations really based on the collection. We want to really commemorate our art program that we have. So you'll be able to make a Shrinky Dink, a bookmark Shrinky Dink, or a keychain Shrinky Dink. Remember those? Reminiscing.
Yeah, for sure.
So they'll have the ovens on site. A lot of your listeners probably aren't quite sure what that is. We're going to have doodle illustrators there who will do custom little doodles for you, fashion illustrations, cute little digital tattoos. So something for everyone. Plus, we're doing a donation drive for Big Brother, Big Sister. Bring in new backpacks. We'll give you one of our commemorative 10-year tote bags. We have a gift with purchase going on. Spend 250 in the mall, which easy to do. And you can get a
Yeah.
$25 gift card you can pick from either we have Lululemon, Hollister, Polo, Ralph Lauren Factory Store, Aritzia, and Vera Bradley. So you actually can pick one of those. So a ton going on, a DJ. We're just really hoping to make it a great time and a really great experience for our shoppers.
For people who want information on specific times and whatnot, or more information about the mall, what's the best place for them to get that?
Fashionoutletsofchicago.com or Instagram, Facebook at Fashion Chicago. So
Awesome.
all the
Katie,
details are on there.
thank you so much for chatting with me, and best of luck this weekend and happy anniversary.
Oh, thank you, Tom. I really appreciate it. Thanks for your time.
Yeah.